Question 21. Which of these values would make 3p minus 1 over p squared minus p undefined? For undefined expression, equate the denominator to 0. So you have p squared minus p equal to 0. If you factor out p, you have p bracket open, p minus 1 bracket close equal to 0. You equate each factor to 0 and you have p equal to 0 or p minus 1 equal to 0. If you transfer minus 1 to the right hand side, you have p equal to 0 or minus 1 or minus 1. So we have A, the correct option. Question 22. The total surface area of a solid cylinder is 165 square centimeters. If the base diameter is 7 cm, calculate its height. For a cylinder, this is the total surface area, curved surface area plus area of the circular base. What we have there is radius, not diameter, but radius is diameter over 2. That is 7 over 2. The surface area is 165 equal to 2 times pi 22 over 7 times radius 7 over 2, height is unknown, plus 2 times 22 over 7. Because of arrow square, you have 7 over 2 times 7 over 2. From here, we can clear some terms. 2, we remove 2. You have 7, cancel 7. You are left with 22h. Then from here, 7, we cancelled 7. Now, 2, we remove 2. You divide 22 by 2, you have 11. 11 times 7 is 77. Collect like terms, you have 165 minus 77 equal to 22h. You have 88 equal to 22h. To get h, divide both sides by 22 and you have h equal to 88 over 22, and that is 4 centimeters. C is the correct option. Question 23. If 2 power a is equal to root 64 and b over a equal to 3, evaluate a squared plus b squared. So let's get a and b values. From the first term there, 2 power a is equal to 8. Now you can express 8 in base 2. So you have 2 power a equal to 2 power 3. If you equate the bases, a is equal to 3. The second term, b over a is equal to 3. This implies that b over 3 is equal to 3 because a is 3. If you cross multiply, you have b equal to 3 times 3, that is 9. Therefore, a squared plus b squared becomes 3 squared plus 9 squared, and that is 9 plus 81, and you have 90. C is the correct option. Question 24. In triangle SYZ, side YZ is 32 cm, that is this side 32. Angle YSZ 52 degrees. Angle SZY 90 degrees. Find correct to the nearest centimeter, the side SZ. Now from this information, SZ is adjacent, YZ is opposite. So we can use tangent to get SZ. So tan 5 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. You have it in this form. Opposite is 32, adjacent is SZ. To get SZ, you have to make SZ the subject, and you have it in this form. If you check tan 5 degrees, you have 32 over 1.2799. If you divide, you have 25.0019. To the nearest centimeter, you must consider 25. The next number is 0. Round it down to 0, and you have 25 to the nearest centimeter. B is the correct option. Question 25. If log 2 base s is equal to 0.3, evaluate log 8 base s. So you have log 2 base s equal to this, then log 8 base s equal to unknown. We can simplify log 8 base 10 base s to get log 2 base s. So you express 8 as 2 cube. By power law of logarithm, the power 3 is allowed to multiply the log in this form. Now log 2 base s is 3. Therefore 3 log 2 base s is equal to 3 times 0.3, and that is 0.9. C is the correct option. Question 26. An arc subtends an angle of 72 degrees at the center of a circle. Find the length of arc if the radius of the circle is 3.5 cm. Take pi equal to 22 over 7. This is the length of arc formula. The angle is 72 degrees. The radius is 3.5. If you simplify, if you reduce these two, you have 1 over 5. You multiply 2 by 22 by 3.5, you have 154 over 7. If you multiply and reduce and divide, you have 4.4 centimeters. C is the correct option. Question 27. Make B the subject of the relation IB equal to 1 over 2 bracket open A plus B bracket close times H. So this is a given relation. Let us clear the fraction first, and you have 2IB equal to A plus B in bracket times H. Because B is here and we need this B, you have to open the bracket, and you have 2LB, 2IB equal to AH plus BH. Collect like terms, you have 2IB minus BH equal to AH. You factor out B from the left hand side, you have this result. You divide both sides by the coefficient of B, you have B equal to AH over 2I minus H. A is the correct option. Question 28. Eric sold his house through an agent who charged 8% commission on the selling price. If Eric received 117,760 after the sales, what was the selling price of the house? So let the selling price be S. Commission is 8% of S. Now the amount he received is the commission, subtracted from selling price. You have it in this form. So selling price is S. The commission is 8% of S. That is 8 over 100 times S, and this is the amount received. Multiply through by 100 to clear fraction. You have this expression. If you subtract the left hand side, you have 92S equal to this amount. Divide both sides by 92, and S, the selling price, is equal to $128,000. B is the correct option. Question 29. Find the angle which an arc of length 22 cm subtends at the center of a circle of radius 15 cm. So this is a length of arc formula. In this question, the length of the arc is 22 cm. You are asked to find the angle while radius is 15. If you reduce 2 with 360, you have 180. If you reduce 22 and 180 with 2, you have 1190. So you have this expression. Again, you can reduce 15 with 90, and you have 6 there. That is theta over 6 times 11 over 7, and you have 22 equal to that expression. So clear the fractions by multiply through by 6 times 7, and you have this result. To get theta, divide both sides by 11. If you do that, theta is equal to 22 times 6 times 7 divided by 11. You reduce 22 and 11 by 11, you have 2 times 6 times 7, and that is 84 degrees. B is the correct option. Question 30. A rectangle board has length 15 cm and width SCM. If its sides are doubled, find the new area. Area of the rectangle is length times breadth, that is 15 times S, with doubled sides. If you double 15, that is 15 times 2, or 15 plus 15, you have 30 times. If you double S, you have 2S. If you multiply, you have 60S squared centimeters. A is the correct option. Peter calls simplified maths. If you are viewing and watching from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, like and share PSM videos. If you are viewing and watching from Facebook, follow and like the page. Also share PSM videos.